Shiz.
Alright, this may be a little dark, but I'm gonna do the best I can with. Sorry about the lighting, YouTube. It's dusk right now, so that's what I can do right now. So I'm gonna point the camera upwards so you can see the blue sky. It's a beautiful day today. It was hot, but it wasn't unbearable. It's real nice. But some good news came from Microsoft about Office 15, which is going to be Office 2013. Reason why it's exciting is because of the new features that it has, which is going to integrate Skype, just like how Lync integrates co-workers in some corporations. All right, hold on a second. We've got a lot of great features that will allow you to virtually have a social networking sort of scenario for your business with using Yammer and a whole lot of other features, and also through communities that like, let's say like an HOA community, and you can use Skype in order to present presentations, work on documents together, and without people having to leave their homes. So I can see how a lot of different people can utilize Skype, like how businesses use Communicator and Lync, which I think is a much better fit for a lot of small organizations and businesses that don't use Office 365. They can use Skype. You see the presence of the Skype inside the Messenger window of Outlook. I mean, there's just a lot of great features that's coming from that. And I'm going to put the links to the videos that are showcased on some people's YouTube channels that showcase a lot of those features. Microsoft Office is, of course, one of the #1 productivity software out there in the market. And that's what Microsoft makes most of its money on, is Microsoft Office. And SharePoint seems to have an upgrade, which is going to look a lot better, a lot cleaner, so that people can access the documents, and it's going to integrate a lot of that social networking by installing some type of microblog, and you and your team can get together and really participate in these blogs. But one thing that's great is that I think the ability to work from home is going to be a lot more apparent with Office 2013, because you don't have to worry about how the software is going to get shared or how files are going to get shared. It's all done automatically because Microsoft Office 2013 will work off the cloud over the computer. Now, about 10 years ago, I was the biggest proponent against using cloud services, using third-party services like Facebook and Twitter, MySpace, Yahoo groups, and all that stuff. And so by integrating some of these features and knowing how I've lost computers in the past, computers break down, I lose a computer or it gets stolen. I have my phone stolen from me, which was a Windows phone. That's why I have an Android now. But because it's in the cloud, I don't have to worry about losing my documents. And everybody can work off the same documents no matter where they're at, and everybody sees those edits in different portions of the documents right there. And I think that's a lot better by using Office 365, using Lync, by using SkyDrive, by using Office 2013. Oh, web conference. So I think it's a really good fit for people to really look into Office 2013, to really look into Office 365, and really see some of the new features that's going to be coming out early next year. I'm going to test out the preview, not now, but sometime in the near future, and I want to give you guys some type of preview of what I feel about Office 2015. So, or 13, sorry, it's Office 15, but it's 2013. All right, so let me go and get these songs back in because they're not really doing anything right now.
going to be the end of this particular show. Just wanted to say I'm very excited about the announcements that Microsoft made, Google's made, Apple's made. I mean, they're all really good announcements. And I think people who are fans of Google are going to really enjoy a lot of the new features that Google's going to have. I haven't really seen too much about Google Apps, but that's probably to come, any new features of Google Apps. Apple has a lot of announcements. We haven't seen the iPhone 5 yet, so I'm waiting to see how that's going to look and how that's going to work with iOS 6. Maybe it's going to be some more hardware features, some more software features. That's going to be exciting. That's to be seen. But Microsoft has thrown a lot of things out there. Microsoft SQL Server, if you're into all that business stuff. Server 2012. Microsoft Office 2013. The next iteration of Office 365. Microsoft Surface. Xbox. The I was about to say Surface Glass. Something Glass. I can't think right now. And then we got the Google Glass, which is going to be extremely expensive, but it's going to be an exciting thing because eventually I can see it coming down to like $200, $300. Maybe Google's going to come up with their own gaming center. Who knows? I'll buy it because I'm into all kinds of technology. Yes, I'm a Microsoft fan, but I love all technology. There's going to be some other great things happening, Chrome OS, tablets. This is a whole load of great stuff that's coming out. Very exciting year, very exciting month, and I think there's going to be a lot more happening in the next 2 months coming up. And then when all this stuff gets released finally, it's going to be really exciting to go out and buy this stuff and start using it and playing with it, whether it's for business or whether it's for play, you know. And I'm definitely going to get the Windows Phone 8. I'm definitely getting the Xbox. I'm definitely going to get the Microsoft Surface tablet. I really want the Nexus 7 when it comes out. I may just go out and buy the $200 Nexus that's out now. So what I'm going to do from now on is if you notice, I've archived all the camera original footage, all the camera original raw footage that comes from this camera or any cameras that I use in the future. In fact, I'm looking at myself. I should be looking at the lens. It's been stored on YouTube Labinex. In the future, we're not going to do that anymore. We're going to put all the archive footage on Shiz, on the YouTube channel for Shiz. It's going to be stored there, and it's going to have a link to the actual show. So all archive videos in the future, in the past is where it's at, but all archive videos in the future will be stored on the YouTube Shiz channel. We're still going to use the same format. Anything under 90 seconds will be on Flickr. Anything over 90 seconds will be on YouTube. Anything that does not compress very well on Flickr will also be archived on the YouTube Shiz channel. Now this video here is going to be uploaded to YouTube Labinex, YouTube Shiz, and it's going to be uploaded to Flickr as an announcement. But in the future, all archives are going to be over 90 seconds are going to be on YouTube Shiz channel. Shiz. I have to use the saying that, right? All right, so hope you enjoy all these videos, and thank you much.
Shiz.
There's one more thing. There is one more thing. Yes, one more thing before we can end this video. You got to like it. That's right. It made me mad to kind of reverse that. No. Okay. There you go. Like this video, damn it.